Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to keep your work and personal life separate on your Android phone, setting up a work profile is the way to go. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to do just that. Let's get started. First, make sure your Android phone is running Android 5.0 Lollipop or higher. To set up a work profile, follow these steps. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Accounts or User and Accounts depending on your device. Now tap on Add Account and then select Work Profile. Now follow the on-screen instruction. You might need to enter your work email and password or scan a QR code provided by your organizations. Once your work profile is set up, you can customize its settings. For example, you can choose which apps to install and adjust notification settings. And that's it. You now have a work profile set up on your Android phone, keeping your work and personal data separate. It's that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.